Programming your GE Universal Remote to work with your Insignia TV is straightforward. We'll walk through the manual code entry method step by step. First, turn on your Insignia TV. Make sure it's powered on and ready before we begin the programming process. Next, locate the Setup button on your GE remote. Press and hold this button until the indicator light turns on. This puts the remote into programming mode. Now press the TV button on your remote. This tells the remote that you want to program it to control a television. Next comes the code entry. You'll need to enter a specific code for Insignia TVs using the number buttons. Here are the most common codes that work with Insignia televisions. After entering the code, the indicator light should turn off. This means the code has been accepted. Now point the remote at your TV and press the power button to test if the programming worked. If the first code doesn't work, simply repeat the process with the next code from the list. Each code corresponds to different Insignia TV models, so you may need to try several until you find the right one for your specific television. When manual code entry doesn't work, the autocode search method provides an alternative solution. This automated process cycles through all available codes until it finds the right one for your Insignia TV. First, ensure your Insignia TV is turned on. This is essential because the remote needs to detect when the TV responds to the correct code. Press and hold the Setup button on your GE remote until the indicator light turns on. This puts the remote into programming mode. Next, press the TV button on your remote. The indicator light will blink once and then remain on, confirming you're in TV programming mode. Now comes the auto search process. Point the remote directly at your TV and repeatedly press the power button. The remote will cycle through hundreds of codes automatically. This may take several minutes, so be patient. When the TV turns off, you found the correct code. Immediately press the Enter or TV button to save this code. The LED light will flash twice to confirm the code has been saved successfully. If some buttons don't work properly after programming, don't worry. Try using the manual code entry method with a different code, or repeat the auto search process. Always ensure you're pointing the remote directly at the TV during programming and testing.